In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can create a Facebook fundraiser on your mobile. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, this is a super simple thing to do, and I have done a tutorial in the past on how you can create one on your desktop or laptop, but if you haven't got access to a desktop, you can go ahead and you can create one on your mobile device. So the first thing you'll want to go ahead and do is open up your Facebook app on your mobile. And then once you've opened up Facebook, you will be presented with this page here, which is your newsfeed. And from here, what you will need to do is click on the menu icon in the top right corner, those three lines there. And then scroll down a little bit until you see More. And then click on the drop down menu. And then scroll down a little bit until you see Fundraisers and select Fundraisers. And then once you've selected Fundraisers, you'll be presented with this page here where you can go ahead and you can view other people's fundraisers. But if you want to go ahead and create one, you need to go ahead and click on Create Fundraiser at the top, or click on the Raise Money button right there. And then once you've clicked on Create Fundraiser, you'll be presented with three options here, which are personal cause, charity, or yourself. Or you can also click on someone or something on Facebook. But for this example here, I'm going to click on personal cause. But if you want to go ahead and click on Create for a charity, you've got an option here for all the most popular charities, and you've got a big list, or you can search in the search bar at the top there. But I want to go back now and I'm going to click on Create it for personal cause. And then you've got to go ahead now and select a category. So you've got a couple of categories here. So you've got medical, personal emergency, family, etc. So for this example here, I'm going to go ahead and click on medical, just for this example. And then you'll be presented with this page here. So what you want to do is, in the tell story section here, you want to give a little context to the people that will be donating to your fundraiser. So for example, if you have been in an accident, what you want to do is tell a little bit of a story and tell like the injuries that you did incur in the accident, to give a little context to the people that will be donating to your fundraiser. So for example, I've gone ahead and I've put in this here, but you will want to go ahead and put in a bigger description if you are doing a proper fundraiser. And then you can go ahead now and select your goal amount. So click on goal amount and you can put any amount here. So for this example, I'll just go ahead and put in £500. And then what you need to do is click on create in the top right corner of the page. And then once you've clicked on create, what you'll have to do is you'll have to put in your personal details, and as you can see, your payment is processed through Stripe. So if you haven't got a Stripe account already, make sure you go ahead and create a Stripe account so you can connect your payment details to the fundraiser. So I want to go ahead and put in my details here, and then I'll be back with you in a second. So I've gone ahead and I've put in my details here. So all you need to do after that is click on the submit button right down there at the bottom. And then once you've clicked on submit, as you can see here, my fundraiser has now been created. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.